Swoi. Total Dominion. But everything basically bounces back to Katrina Loganova, TRR, represent. Stavit Moscow. Rasputin, привет. Я, да, сейчас. Сейчас в Москве. What's up? I wanted to tell Katyusha that I really liked her. Remember I said I didn't believe in aliens? ALEXY. It's over here, and believe it or not, it's on Eugenia Street. Can you believe that? I kid you not. 1214 Eugenia. You can't even make this fucking up, bro. Look, Eugenia. Aloha. Alexey, happy birthday. I hope everything's going well with you. And remember, we're birthing every single day. Remember that. We got the banana palm here. Isn't that amazing? It's awesome. So, if you are going to have a good birthday, really enjoy yourself, the family, the future Phoenix rising, and all that good stuff. Got my kicks on. Some palm trees, Plott palm trees. Amazing. Yeah. This is a brewery, local, the Star. So, yes, my fam, my swoi, Junior XRP Viking, and just kind of got out of the shower. So, hope everything is going well. And with you, see if I can set this down. Oh, shit. So, little update. We have got that glare there. We have a new member to the team, as you know. So we have the translation. We have the translation for Italian, Russian, Spanish, English. So we have the bridge, and that's going to be really phenomenal for Celestial app and the development and what we're doing. So just thought I would give an update. Laying back, enjoy the time while we're here. Live like you're fluttering amongst the palm trees peacefully, and watch out for the sharks unless you are the shark, right? So, or a whale. So, yeah, I feel there's a lot of good yet to come. See the impact in Sicily, Italy, you know, what we're doing, all the transactions. God, I should have combed my hair. Oh, man. So I hope everyone is doing well, as I said, and sorry for, you know, the tragic loss of your dog, beautiful dog, and things like that. We got like a bunch of, looks like kids and stuff that they're doing outside. I don't know, playing. It looks like a birthday party. Bunch of little girls and families get together. But so yeah, with that, we're headed to phase 6 for sure, and I just wanted to keep that hope alive that you guys are doing great. It's a team effort. We got this locked in, and I'm excited. Amongst all the negative, we stay positive with all the negativity, chaos, and what have you. So there's that. And so happy birthday day. I hope we end up moving along smoothly into this new era, and loving the new content. Eugenia, amazing work. Katyusha, pat on the back. Phoenix Rising, with plot palm trees, the innovation, and a sweet, lovely gym, and what have you. Look at that cactus there, amazing. Those are a prickly pear right there, Adolis, aloe vera, amazing. So it's nice, be grounded, stay outside. Beautiful weather. Look at that air purifying plant, amazing. So yeah, thought I would just share a little update. What do you think of this? We found them. 1, 2, and there's a third one over there. What do you think of that? Fucking crazy. UFO. There you go, Alexey. Welcome to inner peace. Inner peace. The stuff I find, man, I swear, irrefutable. Pretty cool, huh? Does it look like me? It's my uncle. Pretty cool. What's up? I wanted to tell Katyusha that I really liked her In My Eyes video. That was one of the most banger videos she just recently did. Then the Phoenix Rising, badass. The other video was the boxing video. That was fucking hot. That was intense. I gotta say, just gym masterpieces, works of art. So keep it up. I can't wait to see the next stuff that you guys produce. And thought I'd just take you over here. This is Irene's from the Bar and Grills over here, and pretty cool. Usually this place is open and they have outdoor theater. You may have seen some of my other videos where I was walking out here, and you see that? I can't zoom in, but it's an arcade district over here. See? So it's pretty cool. What's up, dude? Hey man, just filming. So yeah, it's an arcade over here called Witches and Wizards. It's pretty cool. So they have like outdoor movie theater, like for kids and stuff. So it's pretty cool. So over here, and believe it or not, it's on Eugenia Street. Can you believe that? I kid you not, 1214 Eugenia. You can't even make this fucking up, bro. Look, Eugenia. Can you see that? I gotta flip it. Anyway, I better go. Check it out, man. Check it out. So yeah, keep that up, Katyusha. I'm proud of you. You're on fire right now, girl. We're hitting like record levels, numbers. Got back on Facebook. That's one update. So I'm tying in a fan page for her. It's a CEO page. She can check it out. I can give you the keys for that. So you have total dominion. But everything basically bounces back to Katrina Loganova, TRR, represent, Slavy, Moscow, Rasputin, Privet, Ya da, Сейчас, Moskvi, da, Svoi. Oh yeah, let me check this out. Да. Красивая. Я. Хорошо. Номинею. Я не знаю.